Hi guys, this is Rizwan again from Trendy Startups. I hope you're having a great day. Many people create their Facebook page but don't utilize it properly. In this video, I will be giving you knowledge on how you can create your Facebook page professionally for your business you own or for any services you provide. So I'm on my Facebook account page. You need to have a Facebook account to create a Facebook business page. On the right side, you can see your pages you own or you work on. And to create a new page, go to pages list from the left side bar by clicking on see more and scroll down to see pages in the list. You can also manage and see your all pages you manage on Facebook from this account on this page. To add and create a new account, click on create new page from the left sidebar here, and let's fill in the information of your business. Firstly, give your page a name. I'm going to create a dummy business with all the dummy details just to give you an example of how you can use it properly. So let's name my business a test page. You can add three categories here relevant to your page or your business. Let's assume that I'm providing web services. It's not on the list. Let's try another keyword. Let's say IT, or better, a software company will suit better. And let's select that. You can add two more keywords here, up to three you can tag your business with. And it's always good to give as much information as you can to make your business visible. So I'll add another two here. For example, social media agency. Let us assume that we are an IT company with the web services and we have social media experts with the graphic designers. So we can add a keyword relevant to the designing as a graphic designer. So all these three keywords matches my business. Under the description, you have maximum limit of 255 characters and write brief introduction of your page and fill in as much info as you can. For instance, test page is a leading software company providing uh, we provide best web development. We provide services like, or we provide best services in web development. That is WordPress, Shopify development, for e-commerce stores. Other services, or we also deal in services, or we also deal in graphic designing and social media services. So the description gives a brief intro of your page, and it should be precise and to the point. So let's now click on create a page, and this will just create a page with some basic info. So now let's add images to this page. Add your logo to your profile picture and a relevant business picture to cover photo that should describe your services you offer. Oh, my apologies. That picture should go in the cover photo to represent your page, and here company logo should be added so that people can identify your page easily. Don't worry if you don't see any edit button here to change your profile pic, as you can do this later as well and change the logo that suits your page. And you can also adjust your cover photo, just drag up or down to fit the information on your page cover. You can see the adjustment here on the right side, so let's adjust it. In my case, this seems good as information is showing right in the middle. So once you are satisfied, click on save. After this, it will ask you to enter your phone number and connect your Facebook page to WhatsApp. You can skip this information, but it is always good to have a different mobile number for your business and give your business phone number here for WhatsApp. And I would recommend doing this step so that people can reach out to you directly on your phone number. And you can also respond to them quickly. This will help build strong and trustworthy relationship with your customer. Add a button to your Facebook page so that people can message you directly on your WhatsApp through your page. And once you have added, you can safely close the window. Now you might think that you are done with the process of creating a Facebook page. Well, yes, that is true. You have created a page with some basic information, but in order to build trustworthy relation, to bring more visitors, to increase your page visibility, and to show that you are a genuine service provider, then you need to fill as much information to your page regarding your services as you can so that it enhances the visibility and reaches out to the correct audience. Right. So let me show you what other information is left for this page and is necessary for your page to look more professional. So here it shows one step is left in your page identity. Let us see what's left in this step. Here it is asking to add a profile picture, which we did earlier when we were adding cover photo and the logo. I think we might have to refresh the page to see that, and once we are done it should go away. We'll refresh it later. Let's go to our other missing steps. So add a website if you have a website of your business, for instance www.yourcompanyname.com. Add a location. Location is very important if you have an office, outlet, or a store, etc. Again, you can skip this step if you don't have a physical place, but it's best to add a location if you have one. Let's see what else is left. So it's asking to invite friends and introduce them to my page. I would recommend doing this right at the end when you have completed your profile. This way, when they visit your page, they will see more information related to your services. Also, you can create a welcome post. We'll do this part at the end and you can leave it for now. And what else? You have added your location, your brief intro can be seen, your website is added. Oh, so you didn't add your phone number. Previously, we only added our WhatsApp number, but you can add that same number here as well. Add your email. You can add any mail, but I would recommend adding your business email to make it look more professional and genuine. For instance, info at yourcompanyname.com. This looks more professional. If you don't have one, you can create it with your domain or hosting provider. Now, business hours are also very important. Provide your daily open and closing times of your business. If you're always open, then you can select always open. Otherwise, you can select your daily timings from Monday to Sunday. For example, 9 to 5 on Monday, same for Tuesday till Friday, and on Saturday, let's say if it's half day, so you can select different timings. For instance, 9 to 1:30 p.m. and you can leave Sunday blank to show it's closed on Sunday. Let me refresh the page now. This this page is looking much better now already. You can see the timings and it shows closed on Sunday. So any visitor can tell that we are a software company. We provide graphic designing services and social media services by looking at these three categories or keywords. One other important thing is left. Add username to help people identify your business easily. This step is really important as it will also change your URL to the selected username, which will be easier for sharing your business page and it will be considered more professional and genuine. As you can see here, currently my page URL contains name, test page with some sort of random numbers in it. I don't want that. I want my profile link to be clean and genuine. So once I've added a unique username, it will then change this to my selected username. For example, if I write your company name, hmm, it's not available. Okay, your company name page. Okay, this is available. When you are filling your details on your page, make sure to try a different unique combination of words relevant to your page name. So now click on create username and you are all set. Now my URL will be like this and it will contain this username instead of random numbers in it. Let me refresh the page to see the results, and you can see already it is changed to my username. So we are almost done with the profile completion. This Wi-Fi step is not really important and you can skip it. And now in the end, we are left with the welcoming post and then we will send invitation for this page. To create a welcome post, click on create post on the top below the cover picture. Write something here like welcome to your company name Facebook page, and please like my page to keep updated in an or to keep updated in a world of IT where we keep you posted on updated trends in an IT world. And it's good to have add a picture as well, and then you can pin this welcoming post so that it always shows your visitor at the top of the post list, and your visitors will always see this welcoming text. Don't worry if it's not showing, just refresh the page to update. And now it can be seen on top as pinned post. And with the last step, you can start inviting your friends to like your page and start promoting your page by spending small amount and post your posts regularly. Once you have reached your to your required audience and you have around 1k followers, around 15k post engagements, and around 180,000 minutes views on your page videos, only then you can turn on monetization and start earning money on Facebook. So I hope this video helped, and if it did, please give us your feedback in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thank you.